Let's see what we got down here, shall we? Whoa. Oh yeah, that feels heavy, dude. I got something. Oh, well, we got that out of there. Let's take that out of there. There's one fish. Is there anything else in here? Hey, what's this? What the heck's this? Well, we got something else, guys. All right, we're gonna keep going. Corner. Oh yeah, it's pretty wide down there. Yeah. There's a bottle down there. I think I got something out of the wood. What the hell's this? What the heck is that? It's a monkey. Check that out. It's a frickin' monkey. Just hanging around. Oh, isn't that cool?